ZHackixh. Today we will learn about Google Calendar, Google Hangout, another option of Google Hangout. Let's go to Calendar. A new tab will open and you can see a lot of details. You click on any date, then you can add a title. Plans, you can fix the date, select the date and time, 6 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Add guest, add location, add conferencing, Hangouts. You can add location, you can add guest, you can search with email or name. As you can see, I am organizer, mark optional, and he is a member or a guest. Current connection, modify event, default visibility, busy or free. These are all options. Descriptions, notifications, how many times before notification will be sent to these guests. There are many options you can utilize for any activity. You can save it, dismiss it, don't send it. Send it. Email will be sent to the guest, so they will know when will this activity will be held. As you can see, there are 2 guests, 1 waiting and 1 result. If Naman he will accept, then waiting one will be converted into 2 yes. Okay, you can add notes, you can delete an event, edit an event, email guest options, and you can change owner of the event. Here you can add a note, let me know also. You can use this feature of Gmail for business purpose. This is a good and free feature. It's a well organized way. Thanks and subscribe my channel.